Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to master Documint in 2026. If you want to use Documint more efficiently and automate your document creation from start to finish, this guide will walk you through the essential features step by step. First, open your web browser, visit the Documint website, and sign in to your account. Spend a few minutes exploring the dashboard so you become familiar with templates, generated documents, integrations, and account settings. Next, create professional templates for the documents you use most often, such as invoices, contracts, certificates, proposals, and reports. Add dynamic fields so information can be filled automatically during document generation. Now, organize your templates with clear names and categories. Keeping everything organized will make it much easier to find the right template as your document library grows. Next, connect Documint to your preferred data sources, such as Google Sheets, Make, Zapier, or your own application using the API. This allows document data to flow automatically without manual entry. Generate several test documents to verify that all fields are mapped correctly and the formatting looks exactly the way you want. Make adjustments until the output is consistent and professional. Once everything is working properly, automate repetitive document creation so new documents are generated whenever your connected data changes. This saves time, reduces errors, and improves your overall workflow. Finally, review your templates regularly, update them as your business needs evolve, and explore new integrations to get the most value from Documint. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to master Documint step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Hey everyone, welcome back.